Hello everyone, my name is David Ortiz and today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to create a plan oblique in Rhino. And not just create a plan oblique, but I'll be showing you how to install the program in Rhino so it works. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google, type in how to make a plan oblique in Rhino, and you'll go to the first video that shows up here, which is this one. Here's the thing about this video, that the guy here doesn't explain you how to install the program. He only shows you how the program works and tells you some tips, but yeah, he doesn't really teaches you how to make it work. So this is what I'm gonna be going over with you in this video. Once you open the video, go down to the description below, and you want to click on the first link, and we don't need this one anymore. It's going to open up a different website, and on this website you'll scroll down all the way down to this, and here's another thing: you can tip whatever you want, and well, you can also get it for free, so that's nice. And all you have to do is put your email address. So far they haven't sent me any spam. Okay, well, I guess it has been emailed to me already. But once you do that, it's going to show you two different download options. One of them is going to be this Oblique Transform toolbar, and the other one is going to be that Oblique Transform installer. You want to download both of them, and they will get downloaded into your downloads folder on your files. And you want to click on the one that says Oblique Transform. Once you've done that, it's pretty easy. You go to this, close it, and that's it for that. I'm wondering why it's not. Okay. Well, once you've downloaded that, you want to open up Rhino, and you'll go to Files, File, go down to Properties. Down here, you'll go all the way down to Toolbars. Then you'll click on Oblique Transform Toolbar, and you want to check mark both of them. Hit OK, and both of these should show up. If they don't show up, for whatever reason, you can just type edit Python script, hit enter, and you want to click on this one that says open script. You want to open every single one of them individually, but they have a different order. So you want to open second, third, and fourth, and then lastly you open the first one. So open this one and then run it. Open the third one, you run it, and then you open the fourth and last one, and you run it, and then you're gonna open the first one, the actual plugin. Once you've done that, you can exit out of the screen, and then if they didn't show up before they should be on your screen now, and then you can just drag them here so they don't block the view on your screen. Once you have done that, as you can see, I already had it, but it's whatever. And then once you have put everything in place, you can just select the shape or the structure that you're working on and hit this middle one. This middle one will create an oblique plan, an oblique view on the top view. So you do this, and as you can see, it has done it, and then you can just type make 2D, and there it is. Then you want to save it as an Illustrator file before you restore the shape to its original form. So what you do is File, Export Selected, and then you save it as an Illustrator. Once you have done that, you can select the shape again and click on the right one, which this one, as you can see, says restores all oblique objects back to normal form. And there it is. It just restores it back to normal, and then you can delete this one. The reason why I was saying that you should save it as an Illustrator file before restoring it to its original form was because once you restore it, the Make 2D drawing will get distorted in most cases. Not always, but in most cases, it gets a little messed up. So that's why I recommend doing it before you restore it. And then you can just delete it. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or you would like any help individually so I can go over the steps a little bit slower, I can always do that. You can always message me on GroupMe, or if you have me in any social media, you can always send me a message through Facebook or Snapchat. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.